Well, do you know you can be a little bit taller in space because there's no gravity to pull you down?
I did know that.
Well, if you want to find out more about science, then you've come to the right place this morning because we've got a couple of experiments lined up here.
Promoting STEM, that's science, technology, engineering and maths, to children is biochemist Dr. Jennifer Cleary. Good morning, Dr. Cleary.
Good morning.
Hi, how are you? Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Tell
Thanks
us
for having
about
me.
Should we be concerned from all these things on the counter this morning?
Because they look a bit messy.
I'm
Well,
not
that's
sure what's
science.
ahead.
Science is fun. You can get a bit messy. It's all about experimentation, seeing what works. That's my excuse if it doesn't work.
Okay, I'm worried because we've been asked to take our shoes off.
Yeah.
More of that in a minute.
You're prepped.
Tell us about STEM.
So, well, STEM is really important. Science, technology, engineering and maths. We're always trying to encourage it, always trying to get people of all ages, from all backgrounds into it. Because even if you don't want to do science, if you're not going to go into that background, it really gives you a way of thinking, which helps, it looks at, we need to solve this problem. How do I do it? What's my hypothesis? How do I do it? And what's the result? And I think in most careers,
and you know what, Jen, that's
really
at the basis of most of the education processes, is problem solving, looking at it from a different way, working as a team.
Yeah, exactly.
know.
And we try to do that in a fun way, show that science isn't necessarily people just in a lab coat in the lab, which is a huge part of it, but it's accessible. It's not inaccessible to everybody. It's accessible.
You're going to do some strange things today. What are we going to start with?
So the first thing we're going to talk about is eggs. It was Easter, so eggs have been a hot topic lately. These aren't chocolate, unfortunately. So eggs, you think are fragile. Yeah, like you put them at the end of your bag, they get broken. Or when I bought all these eggs, my bag broke and they smashed on my driveway. So, they're fragile.
Yeah. Yes, extremely.
But I want to show you that they're actually stronger than you think, okay? So this is a normal egg, and this is just 2 bottle tops. This is just to help balance everything. And this is a heavy book.
And this hasn't been hard-boiled or anything?
No, and I'll crack it afterwards to prove that I'm not tricking you. This is the science behind it. So feel this book. It's pretty heavy.
Yep. Big coffee table book.
Yep. Okay, so do you think if I put this on it, the egg will smash?
Yes.
It's going to go splat.
Okay. You're very trusting to stand so close, if that's what you think.
Yeah.
So we just have to get the balance of it right.
Trust me, I'm a doctor, Jen.
So you're centering.
So it's about spreading the load, is it?
It's about the shape of the egg. So that shape of the egg is like a dome shape.
Yeah.
And if you put the weight on the top of it, it spreads the weight throughout the entire egg. And that's how hens get to hatch the eggs. Like a whole hen's weight is on the egg.
Without breaking it.
Without breaking it. And it's because of the shape of it. Now, to show you, well, we'll crack this one just because people just don't believe me most of the time.
There you go. It's
See?
a real egg.
Right, so it's a real egg.
Neil, we do scrambled eggs.
Now, to show you just how strong they can be, I'm going to get us to stand on a few eggs.
All of us.
And this is why we're in our stocking feet.
This is why we're in our
We're going to have
socks.
to take our socks off.
Okay, so I'm going to
shoes
show
off.
you how to do this first. Okay, so
this is not going to work with me.
it's not going to work with me either.
I said to Jen earlier, she said, yeah, it takes my weight. How heavy are you? I said, just imagine you and your whole family while carrying a horse.
You'll be fine. There's a trick to this. So the trick is you have to put your foot flat on the eggs.
Oh, God.
Okay, and you need some help up. So you're going to give me your, perfect.
Yeah, okay.
And I'm going to hold, so you put your foot flat on the eggs, okay?
Yeah.
And then you'll support my weight while I get onto the other one. Okay.
Oh, sweet mother of divine.
No
And then you can let
way.
me go. And I'm standing the eggs. You heard no crack, nothing is cracked, okay? So then to get off them, if you support my weight again, okay, you take 1 foot and 1 foot off. So the trick is putting flat. You see, look, there's none cracked.
No, there's
And they're not hard boiled. I'll crack whichever, you can pick one at random, I'll crack it again at the end.
No, we believe you.
So we want you to do this now.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, we're going to go straight through them.
Well,
You have to believe in the science.
I go straight to the floor.
No, but the trick is you have to put your foot flat. If you
okay.
put all your weight there, it is going to crack.
Do you want me to be the guinea pig or do you want to go first?
Who wants to go first?
I don't mind. Maybe I'll just go and get it over.
Okay.
Come on. Yeah.
Okay, so if
We'll
you
end up with
put
me.
your hand there.
Hey, do you want me to decide you? Or are you all right?
Okay.
Yeah,
and then,
maybe, yeah.
Yeah, do you want to go?
Yeah, here, right now. Oh, I'm glad we rehearsed this right now. Now I have you.
Okay, all right.
All right, just stand up and
Yeah,
maybe
go on.
okay. Joseph.
So did you feel anything crack?
No.
We can let you go. And there you go. You see, you're standing on the eggs. They're supporting your weight.
They're cracking.
Now, wait till I tell you.
We nearly got there.
But that's because you
because
moved
I
them in.
moved,
Yeah, so the second you move and you stop being flat on them.
I started getting fancy, didn't I?
You panicked.
You got cocky.
Yeah, I did.
You got
I
cocky.
got cocky.
You got cocky.
So if you broke 2,
Are we going to give you a go?
well, I don't hold out much hope for these 2 dozen over here.
Hold on, we'll swap
the
them
crack,
so you can.
I'll swap them round.
We'll swap
For
them
the
around
crack.
so you can
Comedy gold.
have the counter to hold on.
And
so
you're getting the new
This
set.
is not going to happen.
keep your foot flat and don't get fancy with it.
Yeah, don't start
Don't
doing
get
tricks.
fancy
Can I get
with
jiggy
this.
with it?
Jazz hands.
Okay, so you put your foot flat on the eggs first
Right.
of all. Okay,
I feel like you're bringing me into a nursing home. Come on, I don't
Okay.
want to go in.
you ready?
Come on, you'll be all right. I don't
Okay.
want to go in. But I don't know anybody in there. You ready? Right. Oh, Jesus! I told you, look! I only got one leg on it. One leg! I didn't even stand on there. They're wetting themselves or fair dogs.
You see, but you know what happened? You
What happened?
you had your weight on it. You
did.
moved your heel down. When your foot was flat, it was perfect. You actually would have supported your weight on them.
Look at them. Look.
Can I just say for the record that I stood on them?
Yeah, you did, yes.
And you
We
did
have
it
that on
very
tape.
successfully.
And if they had listened to my instruction correctly, we would have been fine.
Go over there and do something with fizzy drinks.
So
Well, I get
that's
someone to wash me
excellent.
feet.
Okay, so
Lovely. I'll
really
leave that
quickly
there.
here, this is all to do with density, okay?
Okay.
So, do you think cans of fizzy drinks will float or sink in a tub of water?
I would imagine that they will float.
Well, let's say sink.
Okay, so we're going to put in
Yeah, sink.
full sugar Coke and Coke Zero.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Now, they're both the same amount, same size can. The only difference is the
Sugar.
ingredients.
Really?
33 grams of sugar, 0.07% of sweetener. So much lighter, and so it floats. And it works for all those
Diet
kind of
drinks.
drinks.
So the full fat drinks with the sugar are going to the bottom.
Yeah.
Because they're heavier.
Exactly, because of all the sugar,
Yes.
because of the amount of sugar.
So the sweetener that's used in the diet drinks
Yeah.
is lighter.
Exactly. You need less of it, so there's less in it. So that's why these are 0 calories, and this is where the calories
We've
come
got
from. They come from the
30
sugar.
seconds. What are you going to do with the oranges?
Wow.
So you would think that the unpeeled one would sink,
Yeah, because it's less volume.
and you think this one would. So this one
Yeah.
floats even though it's
Why?
heavier.
Why is that floating, Jen?
Because do you see the pockets in it?
Oh, it's air.
Exactly.
Oh,
so it's
so
like a
it's
float.
letting
in the
It's like a
jacket.
float. Yeah.
So it's like a sponge.
You're messing
We
with my
are
brain,
doing tons
man.
of these experiments just like this, and I'll give kids an opportunity to stand on eggs.
You're
Who, by
an
the way,
Arnott.
were better behaved
Of
than
course
you.
they were, yeah.
They could
Than us,
stand on the
yes,
eggs.
yes,
And where are you
in
doing that?
children's department in Arnott's. It's brand new, bigger,
What time?
brighter, better than ever. Today I'm there. We're there from 10:30 to 4, and I'm there from 12, 1:30, and 3 are my 3 shows, and they'll be better behaved than you. They won't
Sorry
crack the
about-
eggs.
sorry.
In
about
the
your eggs.
children's department, in the basement.
Yeah.
In the
These
basement
are
of
cool
Arnott's.
science lessons, aren't they?
Very cool. Just
Really
wear
cool.
Wellingtons.
Have a change of socks.
I'm
Thanks a
gonna have a
million,
shower.
Jen.
Thanks so
Thank
much.
you.